Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. Okay, in this session we are going to look at how we can answer ICT in a paper of Senior 6. Okay, and we are looking at the paper for 2024. In this session we are going to answer number 2. Okay, they're saying use the spreadsheet application, enter the data given in the table and save it as your name and personal number. Okay, I'm going to go straight away the folder that I use. Okay, folder that I use. This is the folder that we created yesterday when we are beginning. Okay, I create a new Excel. Name it as my name. Okay, name it as, you can put it as your name. Okay, or as that one. Okay, 34,002 as a personal number. Okay, open it. And let's start entering the data. First data is saying name, quantity, item name. Okay, go for next one, which is quantity. Okay, next one, go for unit price and amount. Unity price, market in shillings. Alright, we add the amount. Put the amount also in shillings. Okay, we go back. When you go back, we are going to look at VAT. Okay, VAT 18% and gross price. We have VAT, which is 18%. It goes over to gross price. Of which our gross price is also in shillings. Let me try to increase this one. It's also in shillings. Right. We are done with our columns. You can increase them here so that they can fit. Okay, so they can fit. Okay, you can see have item, so on and so on. Okay, right, then we come there. Let's start entering the data again. Okay, in the first place we have soda. We have lollipops. Okay, we have donut. We have bagia and bogoya. Have bagia. Go for bogoya. Go for chapati. Go for chapati. Then we go for samosa. From samosa, bread. From bread we go for passion juice. From passion juice we go for Gorillas, from gorillas we go for yogurt. Okay, then from there let me enter the data. Soda, we had soda 200. Next one is 800. Okay, the next one we have 400, 350, 400. Then we go for 350. All right, donut, go for 600, 350 again, 600, then 350. Okay, we go for 700, 200 shillings, 700, 200 shillings. From 700 go for 1,200, 350, 1,200, 350. From there we go for 1,300, 500, 1,300, then price is 500. Okay, samosa is 500, 350, 500, come for 350. Next one, 400, 3,500, 400, 3,500. Okay, come next, 500, 1,500, 500, 1,500. Okay, 200, 500. Here it's 200, 500. Okay, go for yogurt. Yogurt is 100 and 200, 100, then 200 only. On unit price. Okay, I think we have finished entering data. All we need is just make it low price that they gave us. Okay, what I'm going to do is to select everything, come here, give it maybe 14, change it Times New Roman, font size Times New Roman. Okay, and this one, select this row, make it bold. Okay, wrap the text. Okay, try to increase certain name can, okay, something like that, the text, and okay, alright, a little bit of like that. Okay, and we do this, we put everything under the table. Okay, go, come here. Okay, borders, put more borders. Now it appears to be something like this. Okay, I think we are done with now. Insert a row between Bagay and Bogoyam, and then enter record of your choice. Insert a row between Bagay and Bogoyam. If I want to insert a row between Bagay and Bogoyam, I will right click on Bogoyam, go to insert, then bring a row. That row will come there. Insert a record of your choice. Any record of my choice could be, I can say carrots. Okay, I can say carrots. Then I come here, I want just 100, and each is maybe for 300. Alright, I'm done with that one. Come over to use the formula stroke function to determine the quantity. times the amount, which is the product of quantity and in price, human A. Okay, so come here, amount is the quantity times the in price, which we are going to say equals, okay, quantity and say times in price. Then autofill, right? We autofill. The autofilling, we say go for VAT. They say that VAT is 18% of the amount. 18% of the amount. VAT is 18% of the amount. So we are going to say equals, okay, say 18% of the shift of the amount. Click enter. So that's 18% of that amount. Okay, 18% of 150. Alright, come here. There are very many ways of getting the percentage. Another one you can say maybe equals. Okay, you say what is 18 out of 100, that is 18%, which is 0.18. 0.18. Okay, multiply it by this one, still you get the same answer. Okay, go for gross price. Gross price, they are telling us gross price is the sum of the amount and VAT. Okay, and we know a function that will give us that one with the sum function, equals sum. I pick it, okay, at the amount and the VAT. Click enter. Okay, scroll down. Alright, so that's where we are. We cross over now to draw a chart showing gross price for all items. Okay, I'm going to go. This is the item that I want. Okay, and now gross prices. Okay, I got insert. I want a chart. I just go on recommended charts. I click enter. Okay, and add elements. I add access titles. Okay, add access titles. I can start editing by chart title. If I say gross price for all, gross price for all items. Right, shillings. Can you edit this one? Then come back here. This is the gross price. Gross price, brackets in shillings. Okay, then come here, double click there. What was it? Come back. Okay, suppose come here. Okay, edit this one to items. Okay, bring this one under here. Okay, so that when you now go to put a footer. Okay, put a footer, just go there, insert. Okay, page layout. I think mine is in page layout. Options, head and footer. Okay, say custom header. Put your name, my name, and then put the personal number. Okay, put the personal number. Then you click OK. After clicking OK, you can go on print. I've saved and everything. Now here it is bringing only the graph. Okay, let's go back again. Have to make sure what we are printing out is a icing. This is our okay. Can also maybe grab it down a little bit. Okay, I think that is it. All we need is now to save our work. Okay, save our work and then burn it to a disk. Alright, this is our work in our folder. So this is our work. If I close, just in case, okay, if I close, I found my work there. Right, that is it. This is our work now. You can see if you want to print, and you can print preview. We will have more than orientation. You can choose maybe landscape. Still, it will be working. Okay. If you can choose portrait, but we normally want portrait. Okay, this one. And the printer, you choose. If it is a default, you choose it. If it is not a default, then you choose it there also. And click on print. Here you put the number of copies. Okay. And you save what you are supposed to print. Okay. Alright. Thank you for watching this session until the end, as we are going to be looking the whole paper. So watch up for the next number. Thank you very much.